Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. You can even see the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. Taking a step back, you'll find the black sapphire metallic paintwork, along with the LED headlights at the front, the two blacked out grills, and coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, just there in excellent condition. We also have some M Sport badging just there. Taking a step back, you'll find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. You have the black trim around the windows, with privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae just up top. We have some eDrive badging, as this vehicle is a hybrid. Here's a look at the third alloy wheel. Now this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera. We also have the dual exit exhaust just there with some 530e badging. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the last alloy wheel just here. And coming inside, you'll find a full leather interior with blue stitching just here. We have a foldable armrest in the centre, along with the fixed ISO points just down there. Over here we have the separate climate control for the rear passengers, along with a 12-volt connectivity. Onto the doors you'll find a brushed metal handle, electric windows, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. In the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are heated. The driver's seat also has the memory function, which can be controlled just on the door. We have the electric windows with child lock for the rear and electric mirrors. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. We have the auto lights. We also have a heated multifunctional steering wheel just there. We have paddle shifters on both sides. You can control the cruise control and speed limiter just there. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, as you can see the vehicle starts up. And we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Moving over into the main infotainment screen, you'll find the likes of sat-nav. We also have media, which has the likes of DAB radio, FM. We also have CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring and USB. Over here we have the phone connectivity. If we go back onto the menu, you see all these different options that we've been through. So let's go onto My Vehicle. Vehicle settings, we can go into the interior lighting. This is where you'll find all the ambient lighting, where you can change the colours to whatever you think looks best. If we press this button just down here, you'll find that the intelligent safety comes on, making this vehicle a very safe car to drive. Also, if we put the car into reverse, there's the reversing cameras and parking sensors. Let's just put it back into park now. We also have different drive modes such as Eco. We have Comfort and we have Sport. This also changes the dials on the main dashboard, like so. Moving down from there, we have the climate control just here, along with the heated seats on both sides. Let's turn that off as it's a very warm day today. Further down, you'll find a little bit of storage space inside of here with a wireless charging and two good sized cup holders. We have a 12-volt connectivity just there and a USB port. Here is the gear stick. We have traction control buttons along with all the drive modes. Here are some shortcuts for the main infotainment screen. We have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Here is the parking sensors button. We have a leather armrest which can be opened up for additional storage. And inside of here you'll find a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity. However, that is everything I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals, free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.